Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another live stream by the Option School. This is pre-market report for today, that is 27th August. We are starting with the uh, new option series now, and let's see what kind of important Nifty levels are there, what kind of events are there, and what is the OI levels. So SGX is indicating a very flat start. In fact, it was showing a slightly negative start, but in last few minutes it has sort of recovered and showing a slightly mildly positive start now. Asian markets are mixed. Few markets are green, few markets are red. All European markets almost closed negative yesterday. US markets closed slightly negative, but Dow future is trading positive as of now. So mixed cues are there from uh, different global markets. Obviously, global markets are waiting for Fed Chair Mr. Powell's speech, which is due today at 2 p.m. GMT. So it means it will be, as far as Indian time is concerned, it will be somewhere available at around 7. It will start somewhere at 7:30 p.m. So it will be after market hours. All the impact of that speech, whether they are having a hawkish policy, whether they are going to taper things pretty fast, all those things will be clear maybe after 7:30 p.m. only. So today's markets will not have much impact on that, but yes, uh, markets on Monday will have whatever impact is required, right? And yesterday we had a very dull expiry. Markets moving only in a range of, you can say, uh, I think around 80 points. With the difference between high and low was just 80 points. So what we have found almost every day, if it is an expiry day, markets will be dull. If it is not an expiry day, markets will be moving quite uh, in a volatile fashion. So that has also become a new trend nowadays. FIs were net sellers. They're continuously selling in cash worth 1974 crores, and DIs were net buyers. DIs were net buyers. I think not sellers in 1055 crores. And as far as F&O are concerned, FIs were net sellers were 208 crores in index futures, or buyers worth 1930 crore in index options. So they have purchased 1930 crores worth of index options. Now today's event we can have a big impact on FI participation in the market. We will be coming to know that impact on Monday only, because if availability of money is going to reduce, obviously the participation on FIs will reduce also, right? But if nothing of that sort is happening in near future, then they may keep on participating in the markets. Although almost on daily basis we see they are net sellers, but the quantity of selling is not that high, and they have pumped in a lot of money in our markets, right? So but in case markets need to rally big time, obviously their participation will be required. So today's speech will have some impact on at least FI's participation. I don't think sorry, don't think it will have any impact on participation by retail investors or participation by DIs. Let's see what the OI analysis says. All of you who are new to the channel, please go ahead and click on subscribe button. Do not forget to click on the bell icon whenever you are clicking on the subscribe button, so that you get the notification. And all of you who are already part of this family, you know which button to click. Need to click on the like button. Okay, data is very thin as far as OI is concerned. This is the first day, and obviously traders are also very cautious because of the event. Highest OI on call side is 16,700. Highest OI on put side is 16,600. So with a small number, these 16,700 and 16,600 are there. But we need to see, wait for today, maybe wait for Monday also, because again today traders will be very cautious. So good strategy to keep your positions light, even if they're high position. Then also we must try to keep positions as light as possible, because these kind of events can uh, swing markets a bit, and even hedge positions will come into trouble. But there is an opportunity also. If VIX goes up today because of this event, because this event is after market hours, then some positions later in the day can definitely be explored if we find a substantial increase in VIX. So it will be definitely a good idea to try few of butterflies or maybe an iron condor. Uh, given the kind of premiums we are able to take, given the kind of credit we are able to take, we can definitely try some iron butterflies and iron condors, but only in case we find that okay, VIX has gone up. It's not necessary that VIX will go up, but expectations are there that since it's a big event, so VIX can go up today, which will be good for our markets in a way, because our markets are struggling for premiums, and VIX is so low that okay, sometimes it has become very non-lucrative to sell option. So if VIX goes up, it will be a welcome change for option sellers. What are the important Nifty levels? On upside, initial resistances can be at 16,680 and 16,720. We need to see markets really go up beyond this hurdle point of 16,720. Chances can be really low today. On downside, initial supports can be at 16,550 and 16,500. So if we see this, the range comes out to be somewhere around 16,500 to 16,750. If I ignore those two levels and I say that okay, let me take a trade which is outside these levels, so 16,450 and 16,800 pair has a premium of roughly around 73 rupees. This can be a good intraday bet, but again, we should try this selling this pair only in case we see there is some increase in the VIX, because otherwise what will happen if we sell this pair right in the morning, after that if VIX increases, so you will not get any kind of a decay, rather there can be a slight increase in the uh, price of both the things, right? So instead of selling at 73, if we sell at 73, let us say, at the end of the day we may find that okay, the total premium has increased to 80 rupees also, right? So better is let us wait and watch for few minutes, for maybe 2 hours also, and if we find that okay, there is an increase in the VIX and a similar kind of a pair uh, which is outside the resistance and the support level, can be sold maybe at around 80 rupees, 85 rupees. It can be a good bet even for intraday. At the end of the day, we may find some kind of uh, squaring off possible and some kind of decay in case we have taken the trade after the VIX has gone up. In case we have taken the trade when VIX is low and after that VIX goes up, it may not be very lucrative trade, right? May not be a good idea otherwise to sell for intraday gains. We may not get, you see, again, this is all a thought process. There is no rules that okay, VIX should rise only, VIX will not go down, there will be no decay, there will be decay. Nobody can predict that, but seeing the event, just based on that, we are thinking that okay, may not be a good idea to sell for intraday gains unless and until we see a good jump in the VIX right in the beginning 1 or 2 hours of the market, right? All the best to all of you. Hopefully yesterday's expiry was good for all of you, and if any of the trades which were deep in the money on call side, you are able to roll over those trades based on whatever we have discussed in our earlier videos. Anybody willing to join our membership can join gold membership, diamond membership, smart hedge or super smart hedge membership by clicking on this uh, join button. And we have these recorded workshops, iron condors, short strangle and covered call, butterfly and iron butterfly in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Mr. Raghav says good morning. Mr. Abhishek Verma, good morning. Good time for call calendar. You see, again, call calendars, put calendars are good strategies when VIX is low. But again, I will say these strategies also need that there should not be a very high swing in the market. If there is a high swing in the market, then I will say even the calendars you should not do it on a weekly basis. Month to month calendar may be still good, and in case today VIX goes up, let us say VIX touches 14 or 15 or something like that, and then you make calendar, it may not be a great idea, because whatever happens in the speech, we do expect that on Monday, if VIX has gone up today, VIX will go down, so that will not be a good thing for a calendar spread, because they are all Vega positive trades. So if VIX goes down, that may not be a good thing, Mr. Raghav, right? So I'll say as of now, just wait and watch and see how markets preempt for this event, and based on that, if VIX doesn't rise, yes, a good time to create put calendars or call calendars or both. Right? Anybody interested in these recorded workshops can contact us at the number shown in the screen. We have a 2 days workshop coming up on 4th and 5th of September, wherein we will be talking about a lot of adjustments, lot of trading methodologies, back testing of trades, and all the material will be shared with the participants. If you want to join that, you can click on this. You can contact us on this number, and you can always follow us on our Twitter handle, which is at the option school for during market interactions. And for any other queries, contact us on these numbers or write us at info at the option school .in. What about likes? Do click on the like buttons. That is very precious to us, and it encourages us like anything. And share this video to somebody whom you think it will be useful. Write your comments, your suggestions, your feedback on the comment section, and we will try to incorporate everything. And if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Have a great day, have a great profitable day. My only request is keep your positions as light as possible. These kind of events may become a non-event also, or it may become a event which can swing the market. So it's always better to be on the cautious side. All the best to all of you. Thank you.